If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To buy XRP and Revolut, go to crypto icon and search for XRP. You can search it to the search bar, or you can just look for the most traded. But for me, I will click see all in most traded. And as you can see, the XRP is listed as number 7 in most traded. Now, to buy it, click on it. And you will see here the status of XRP. Just click the buy button if you want to buy it. And that's how you buy XRP on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.